71650 Tube Expanding Kit. The 71650 Hydra-Swage is a unique handheld hydraulic tube expanding kit that will save you time and money, eliminates the need for fittings, and reduces soldering points. The handheld hydraulic unit is lightweight, portable, and easy to use. This kit consists of expander heads from 3/8 up to 2 1/8, Hydra-Swage, Adapter, and Inner-Outer Reamer. Apply lubricant to the cone before using. Install the adapter and correct size expander head. Deburr the inner wall of the tubing completely to make sure the tube will fit completely over the expander head. Place the tube onto the expander head. Tighten the relief knob and pump handle until it stops. Loosen the relief valve and release the finished tube.